son of that sick fucking cat rascal or whatever you want to call it. This place just pisses me off.
Damn, good for you with the
Nigga, hold that pain, bro. Make mine noise, nigga. I'm telling you. I heard something over there. Lumraka.
Oh, DJ. I don't know if it was the shadow when I wrestled, but on my right hand side, I saw it lifted. I could be wrong.
Nigga, I heard something like through the stairs.
But I saw a shadow. It could be us. It could have been me. I don't know, but I saw a shadow on my right hand side turning.
Nigga, I heard it like if it was in the stairs. There's no stairs.
down.
Nah, we should go up straight, right? Let me see.
Just wait it out, so we hear it.
Nigga, I heard that clear day. No, we should go down the hallway.
Let's go.
Cause we went up already, right?